Hey everybody, thanks for joining me again. Tonight's going to be different. I'm going to be doing a pearl pour. All right, it's been a year almost, I would think. My colors tonight are sapphire, 24 karat gold, silver, and amethyst by DecoArt Extreme Sheen. Um, as far as I'm going to be pouring black over those colors, and that is Artist Loft's Flow Acrylic. Um, so essentially, with the pearl pour, you want the not the extreme sheen colors, but like this the black color or the white color or whatever color you're gonna pour over them. You want that to be your thinnest color. So for me, that's 40 grams paint, 40 grams American Floetrol, and about 20 to 30 grams water for the black. For my colors, the extreme sheen colors, I it's basically a 1-to-1 ratio. So 10 grams paint, 10 grams American Floetrol. And pretty much that's the consistency of those. You want those to be just a little bit thicker than the color you're going to pour and tilt off on top of it. Um, but so with this one, I mean, this is a used canvas, so you know me. I like to scrape if I don't like it. I'm just one of those people. Um, but for the way or for the colors that I'm going to pour, there's really no reason why I'm putting these colors down the way I am. I mean, honestly, the best color that I like out of all of these is sapphire. Surprise, surprise, right? I like the blue, the blue, but nevertheless, I'm just gonna kind of zigzag these around as like a messy pour before I pour the black over it. Um, but yeah, somebody asked me, it's like, can you help with the pearl pour? And it's been a year, I think. It's been a long time. So, you know what? The funny thing is, this honestly took probably, I don't know, the video was unedited was 10 minutes. So, I mean, really, compared to the Shelly stuff, this this was real easy. I don't know why. It makes me want to do some other type of pours again, like ring pours or something. I don't know, but it was just real satisfying in terms of doing something different because I've been doing nothing but Shelly for the last probably year. Um, but yeah, we're gonna get all the colors out. Make sure everything's used, which is kind of weird. Normally I always have leftover paint and I never know what to do with it sometimes. So this is a positive note. I'm using all the paint for this one. Um, but yeah, I really like the sapphire, really do. Um, so again, hope everybody's been doing good. If you need any help with anything or any type of porch, or have any questions about this one, just let me know. Like I said, I saw this one on, I believe Julie's YouTube channel, and it's intrigued me because it's a different type of pearl pour than what I normally have done. Normally, it's like I do a ring pour with pearls on the outside that come up, but this one actually intrigued me. So I really was wanting to do this, and I'd planned on doing it. When somebody was like, "Hey, can you do that?" What better excuse than to do it already? So here we are. I'm gonna get all my colors out, and I'm gonna let the blue probably be last because that's just the color. That's my jam, right? Um, and I'll go ahead and say this. After you get all your extreme sheen colors down and you pour the black or again whatever color you use, um, you want to do it quick. So I mean, you want to tilt one corner to the next corner, then like boom, 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 be done with it. Because if you don't and you do it slowly, then your cells that form on the first corner, it's going to um, distort them. They're going to get wonky. They're going to get, they're not going to be that nice form because you stretched them in different ways. So here we are. I'm going to pour the black over it, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But yeah, you got to go quick about it. Otherwise, you don't want to have that little mess up cells. At least I don't. Uh, that would cause me to scrape it almost probably. So here we are. The black paint goes right over the top of the other colors because it's so thin. And you know what creates the cells is when you stretch the extreme sheen colors down to the corner and you stretch the other way. It's like whenever the black paint gets really thin, it seems like it creates those cells. So if you have a bunch of the black paint or anything like that left on top of it, it may take it a while to come up. So there's that. And then from here, I mean, we're basically done. Stretch it back down to the center. That way, you know, you can kind of get some cells on that corner. Because if you don't stretch it back, then like I said, it doesn't pull that black paint to make those cells. Another thing that you can do is you can torch it. But I mean, best thing to do is just sit here and watch it form. I mean, this is the most satisfying thing you can watch, right? It's just seeing the cells form. And more than likely, it's going to leave a little black spot in the middle where I poured it. But I'm actually going to torch it real quick here in a second. You know, kind of walk away from it. Because, I mean, you want those cells to just come up. And obviously, you know, if you sit here and you fiddle with it enough, you can mess it up. But yeah, I mean, that one corner right there, I didn't bleed off. Like whenever I tilted that corner, I didn't go off far enough where the DecoArt colors would bleed off the edge. So I mean, that's on me. I just didn't do it. So, you know, 3 out of the 4 corners is great. So here's a close up of it. I absolutely love it. It reminds me of like a lizard eye or of some sort, a lizard eye, or I don't know. It just reminds me of an eye. And just look at all this. I mean, all the gold right there. Just, I don't know. It looks awesome. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, there's that corner where I didn't bleed off that much. So, and I mean, if you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I would appreciate it.